successful coalition of opposition parties is possible. We initiated it, it's there, but it needs to be supported further. They are the so-called big elephants that have not come into the coalition arrangement. I see the people in Bulawayo say MDCT is strong enough. It does not need anybody else. They don't need to go into any coalition arrangement. That's what we are meant to understand by MDCT. But on the contrary, the people in Binga have said no, coalition arrangement is important, it's necessary, and that Morgan should consider coming into a coalition arrangement with the other parties. We don't know what the end of it is going to be. The other big elephant that still remains to be brought in is the People First. The People First approached us as ZAPU immediately after the expulsion from government. We had discussions with them, frank discussions, and we told them that they were free to come up with their suggestions as long as they did not violate our principles of ZAPU maintaining its identity. At the end of the day, whatever happens, we come from a long way. We've been in it, got swallowed at one time, came out, and I don't think we'll allow ourselves to be swallowed once again. But any other arrangement of a coalition nature which does not interfere with our identities is very welcome. Consider it and be able to see how far we can go with it.